Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I am going to be unboxing the July Wild Heart Kit by Simply Gilded. So let's get started. Alright, first up we have the inventory card, which shows everything that is included in this month's kit. And also this is a great template to use for those of you who are interested in making the Simply Gilded washi dashboards. You could just layer it right on top of this, and on the back to have it double-sided, however you want. Just a great way to reuse this card. And then we have this month's journaling card, which features gold foiling. And I've also recently realized that I wiggle a lot in my videos, and that's just because I really love showing off the gorgeous foiling on all of these items. Alright, let's move on to this month's sticker sheets. You get 2 full size, which feature gold foiling as well. Here we have some deco, a few headers, some banner flags, and 3 full boxes. I really love this one, the Queen of the Jungle one. Then we have some date covers there at the top, some more headers, some more banner flags, and some checklists. Now this is the item that I was looking forward to the most in this kit probably, because I love this combination of the gold foil, the pink, and the green, not to mention the tiny little dainty bow up at the top. But this will go so well with my summer setup in my planner. I can't wait to add it in there. This is just really pretty and tons of space for writing too. Alright, next up we have this month's pin, which features gold metal hardware and a barrel of tropical bright colors in a watercolor ombre pattern. If you like these bright tropical colors, then this is the kit for you because it is just packed with them. The next item is this foiled pocket-sized TN insert, or just a regular mini notebook for those of you who don't use traveler's notebooks. It does have the gold foiling on both sides and a pink stitched binding. The inside is blank, so you can do journaling, memory keeping, list, whatever your heart desires with that. This month also included this fun pouch with the tropical leaves and birds pattern, and it features a gold pull zipper. So let's find out what's inside. And it's the washi. This month's kit included 8 washis. Oh my goodness, so many. So let's get a closer look at these. First up, we have the skinny leopard print. Then we have the standard size leopard print with the gold foiled bows. Next up is the tropical ombre with gold foiled leaves, followed by the leaves and tropical birds that were featured on the pouch from this month's kit. And finally, this 4-pack of these super skinny tapes, all with foiled bows. Looks like we have some gold and either silver or hollow foil. It's kind of hard for me to tell in this light. This is amazing, and I hope that we can find more super skinnies in future kits because these are my new obsession. And that does it for this unboxing. I apologize for the late upload. My kit came in a little bit late this month. I think everyone knows that the Postal Service has a mind of its own sometimes. But as always, you can find the shop links and discount codes in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!